Hi, I'm Kelly Keller. I'm the owner of Rollin Around Gourmet. We are a gourmet egg roll food trailer specializing in 40 different flavors of egg rolls. Since we've been open, we've been to breweries, corporate events, community events, weddings, just about anywhere we can set up and sell gourmet egg rolls. What makes us a little different than the rest are that they are handmade in our commercial kitchen, and we use the 40 different flavors. We rotate our menu weekly. We keep favorites and then introduce new egg rolls. The Duquesne SBDC has been extremely helpful in helping me get started, starting with the business plan, taking my idea, developing it into a business plan, and then the financial plan is a good key. It's not just something you send to the bank and never look at again. You go back and you keep looking at it and looking at the numbers and making sure everything is in track and you're on pace with what you projected to do. With the help of the Duquesne SBDC, I was able to secure the loan through the bank. It helped me buy the trailer, buy the equipment, and everything that I needed to get started.